Hi everyone, today is July 24, 2022. It is 12 p.m. and 22 degrees Celsius. It has just started to rain here. We are here at the Taste of the Middle East Festival at Nathan Phillips Square. Right now we're under the bridge area where we're seeking shelter from the rain. For now, I'll walk underneath the bridge and see if I can get you a view of what it's like at the festival. Let's get a shot at that. There's the City Hall buildings and the 3D Toronto sign. There's the bell ringing at Old City Hall, off in the distance, in that direction. A lot of people are huddled underneath the walkway bridge to seek shelter from the rain. Well, it actually wasn't raining at all. Then when I got here, it immediately started raining very heavily, very quickly as well. Here's a look up the stairs that go to the walkway bridge. There's the clock tower at Old City Hall, which can be seen there through the walkway. Starting to rain very heavily now.
I don't really know. I just know you get higher on stuff like that. Yeah.
Okay, that doesn't need 50. You know what that means? 50 hybrid? Like that.
Here's Osgood Hall.
I just find the stuff at the weed plant. I don't get as high as I get on my that.
Let's go back on the other side and see what we'll find. Hopefully the rain will stop shortly and we can continue our tour of the third day of the Taste of the Middle East event at Nathan Phillips Square. And we're now on the eastern side of Nathan Phillips Square. And here's a look west. Looks like the rain's starting to slow down a bit. Looks like it's slowed down by a lot. So here's the archway. And a look at the schedule for today. Today is Sunday, July 24th, and they have a Celebrate Egypt event from 12 to 5. And at 1 o'clock, they're going to have a stage ceremony with the Canadian Egyptian Heritage Association sponsors and dignitaries. Then at 4 o'clock, they're going to have an Egyptian wedding zaffa. And this is the 5th annual Taste of the Middle East Toronto Festival, celebrating Arabic music, art, and heritage. They've got these lights up now on this third day here. Most of the booths are still closed. Here's Noah Skincare. Here's Covered. Here's the Brain Project. No blank, hashtag no blank brains. It says that Baycrest is working with over 300 researchers across Canada to defeat dementia. Here's Atta Canadian beef products.
subía foto, nunca vestido, ¿ya?
Here's the Osmos stage. This is Osmos Shawarma, who is a sponsor of this event. This is their food truck. There's Jenna Foods. Let's see if we get a closer look. There, of course, is Toronto Water. And they're getting set up here. This is Nafisa Sweets. How are you? And they're still getting set up. Here's the stage. Looks like there's a group of people there. The stage has a glass ceiling, so they're fairly protected from the rain. As the rain has subsided, looks like there's more and more people entering Nathan Phillips Square. There's Lean's shop and Alejandro's. Here's a look at the City Hall buildings. Here's the Lean Shop menu. They've got a lot of stuff here, from sandwiches to all kinds of desserts and snacks.
Oh yeah.
Here's a 3D Toronto sign. There's HSBC. There's Hero Certified Burgers. Here's the Royal Ontario Museum. Good, how are you? Thank you. Sure. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you too. Here's Telus. Looks like they're doing a raffle or a game there. We have to go to the order. And the rain has completely subsided. It's very smooth in the water here at the fountain. So it's around 12 p.m. and we're relatively early here today. It usually starts picking up later on during the day. Here's the kids' playground thing that they're filling up with air as it gets set up. And here's an ice cream truck. Here's another inflatable kids playground that they've just set up, and it's now being inflated. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.